In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Zoom is running, and when it is running, how to make sure that you're signed in. Also, this is for the Windows version only. So this is only if you're on a Windows desktop, not if you're on a Macintosh. Let's get started. So I have Windows open here. And the way that we check to make sure that Zoom is running is there's a couple ways. You can look in your taskbar at the bottom here and see if you see the Zoom icon. You'll be looking for this blue icon that appears on the left side of my screen. This is the desktop shortcut to Zoom, but it's that same icon. So if you see it here, then it's running. Or you can check in the system icons tray down here to see if you see that icon. I can zoom in there. So notice there's no white video with a blue background, and if we expand that to see the overflow, it's not there. So currently that means Zoom is not running. So I can either double click on this shortcut on the desktop, or if you don't have that, you can click the Start menu and Zoom, and then click Zoom from there. And now Zoom is open. And you can see that down in the bottom right in the system tray, we now have the Zoom icon. And it appears in that overflow. And notice when I highlight it, it has a little pop-up that says not signed in. And clearly we can see from the menu, or we can see from this window that we're not signed in, and it says to sign in. So to sign in, we would click sign in. And we'll be signing in with our Jessup credentials. So you need to make sure to sign in with Google. Do not type your Jessup credentials here. You need to sign in with Google. So you'll click sign in with Google. I've already entered my username and password credentials, so I'm just going to select my account. But if you hadn't done that yet, this menu would ask you to input your email, and so you would put your Jessup email in there, and then you would also put in your password. I'm just going to select my option there. I'm going to click Open Zoom Meetings from this pop-up. And now I am signed in. I can tell I'm signed in because I can see my calendar. I can also see that my little icon up here, and it says my username, and it says license. So I know I'm signed in with my Jessup credentials, which is a licensed account. All right, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.